Now I showed you a lot of information about the overall framework of the report. Now I want to go into more details how the forecast report presents forecast data.
Okay.
And when I click on the next report, I want to also get a little bit more details about the report itself, so I can collapse the navigation.
Okay, yeah, that's easier to see. All right, so the feel is already really similar to the actual report, the last one we looked at. This header stuff on top is the same, and also where you opened up the point of view arrow, that looks similar, not quite the same. Yeah.
Right.
Okay, and also the look and feel or the design down here with the budget having two stripes and the actuals having the black, and the striped parts are forecast, but why are there two forecasts next to each other?
Good question. So let's take a look. Currently we see 3-month actual plus 9-month forecast data, and this is the complete annual 2060 forecast data.
Okay.
So when you want to see how the actual data is being rolled up or summed up, you can switch to monthly view. So you see that the first 3 months of the year are presented now, again with the black colored column.
Yeah, that's
so
easy to see.
From a time perspective, you see January, February, March are pulled from the actual data, but we have a specific version selected. So forecast 3 plus 9 means the first 3 months are taken from the actual data, and then from here the 3 missing quarters are our forecast data. Now imagine we are in the second forecasting cycle in June, for example. So we want to switch to a different forecast version because until the month June we have a lot of more actual data available. So the system now takes the value from actual, presents this in our timeline until June, and then combines with the missing 6 months to fulfill the complete year data. So and you can go for further details. You can redo the forecasting cycle also in the 3rd quarter, and if this is still not enough for you, you can configure the system here to have more forecast combinations.
Okay, and another thing I'm seeing where the design is similar to the other one, so underneath the first 6 months I see how it's all white and it doesn't have that little L on the side, but
Correct.
for the last 6 months it does. And so does that mean I can enter my data? I mean, it makes sense to change my forecast.
Right, exactly. This is now the part where you really do planning with the model. You enter data directly here. We are going to show this a little bit later, how you can do this much easier.